Imagine if there were websites that would pay you $75 every 30 minutes for solving those CAPTCHAs. Right now, there are 3 popular websites that do just that. You know those odd little boxes that say, "Type what you see to verify you a human," and are typically ABC 456. Well, imagine if there were websites that would do just that. The nicest thing about it is that anyone in the world can do it from home, and anyone starting from scratch can do it as long as they have access to the internet, a phone or computer, and the website woo. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step exactly how to earn $75 every 30 minutes for typing CAPTCHAs. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button below this video and smash a thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm to see if we can get this video to 200 views. Results today are no longer typical. You might earn more, less, or about the same as this, but I can guarantee that if you don't follow the exact steps outlined in this video, you won't be able to achieve the same results. So be sure to watch the entire video and don't skip any of the steps. Step 1 of the 3 stages to typing Captcha earning $75 per 30 minutes is now complete. Second, I'll teach you how to get others to earn money by doing CAPTCHAs for you. First, I'll expose the top 3 sites that pay individuals to complete them. And the first website that will pay you is called Mega Typers. Mega Typers is an easy work, easy money site where you can make up to $200 extra a month by typing a few CAPTCHAs. As you can see, Mega Typers is one of the oldest websites, and they pay out their workers every single day. Their typers can expect to receive payments in the range of $1 to $250 per month via PayPal, Western Union, bank transfers, checks, and Perfect Money. They also support all payment processing methods, so you could get paid out quickly. While not the best site, it's a good place to start for an extra $200. However, if you have the extra cash, I recommend downloading the Captcha Typing Work Online Job by Captcha Genie app, which is much better. According to reports, this app pays up to $500 per month for typing in your spare time. In addition, as you can see, they have 4.3 ratings, which is rather positive. Many people are gushing about them. This individual earned $300 for inputting those CAPTCHAs, so let's move on to the greatest site. The third website is the finest because it not only pays out the most but also enables you to get others to solve CAPTCHA for you so you can start making money from their labor. So let's head over to this website. CAPTCHA is the name of this website, which is excellent because it charges $1 for each CAPTCHA, $299 for each GS CAPTCHA. You can scroll down to see all of their CAPTCHA jobs, supported clients, and you know they've been around for quite a while. So what you'll do is press sign up to create an account, complete your CAPTCHA entries, and then receive instant payments. There are currently 257 workers online solving CAPTCHAs for people like me and you just regular people. It's extremely simple to get started, so let's use a feature on their website that enables users to make money by helping others solve CAPTCHAs. Okay, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see this right here that says Affiliate Program. Now you're going to click on that, and that's going to take you to this site where basically you know it's on the same site. It's just on a different page. It says, earn by promoting 2 CAPTCHAs. This means that for every person you send to this site who starts solving CAPTCHA, as you can see right here, you're going to. The more people you send to the site, the better. And I'm going to show you how to get 1,000 people to click your link today so that you could start profiting from their efforts. So what we're going to do is grab our referral link right here, press copy, as you can see referral link there, and then we're going to paste it into the referral link field there. So if they earn $1,000, you're going to earn $100, and if you have 10 people earning $1,000 each, the search term we'll use is make money online. select groupings, go to public groups, where you'll find hundreds of groups regarding various side businesses and earning money online, but not all of them are created equal. The ones you want to go to are the ones that are active, have 10 or more posts a day. If we scroll down, some of them only have 5 posts a day, and some of them have no posts at all. However, what I want you to do is come to this one right here. Make money online and side hustle USA. Okay. Some of them are really good, and some of them are terrible. I'm going to show you how to do it. So what you're going to do is scroll down and look at some of these people that are doing it right now. This lady did it almost right okay. She said weekly payout of $11,000 plus no fee or cost. Message me, okay? And look how many people commented. 67 people. Now what you are going to do is scroll down and look at some of these people that were doing it right now. If you'd like, I can send you the details. Basically, people will leave comments here with the request that they be interested. You will easily receive 100 to 200 comments, so you could easily reach 1,000 people by repeating this action 5, 6, or even 10 times in a single day. You will simply like everyone's comments and then message them with your referral link. Okay, so that's one way, not the best way, but definitely you could get 1,000 people, and I'm going to show you how to get 1,000 more people as a bonus right now. All you have to do is go to classifiededs.com. Once there, you'll send them a message, or you could even comment back and say DM me. They'll send you a message, and then you could send the link. The classifieds. As you can see, there are business opportunities and other types of jobs that people are seeking out. So what we're going to do is we're going to post a free ad now. We're going to click there. This is where people go to, buy vehicles, get different services, and find jobs. It really depends on how much you could make from each site, but typing in work from home opportunity, asking price $1,000 per day into jobs business opportunities is absolutely strongly suggested. What I just showed you is definitely a way you can make a couple $100, possibly even 1,000, but so go ahead and watch the video. It will show you exactly how it went from 0 to over 40,000 per month passively online from a completely passive business model.